Hi everybody, welcome to Wendy's Decorium. So glad you're all with me today. Right, we've got, I presume these are candle molds because of that really squishy silicone. The two Christmas bauble pots. They look like they've been used, but they have not. They're just, you know what candle ones are like. Everything sticks to it. It's been in at the side of my desk here for a couple of days and everything's clung to it. So I can see the lids, but can't really tell the design. I haven't a clue what they're going to look like. There's something there. Could be anything. So we're going to pour them today. I'm going to pour them in aqua and I'm going to pour them in resin as well. The aqua is going to be first because I want to see the detail because I don't know which lid goes to which pot. I'll go and get some aqua mixed up and I'll be back soon. Right, I've mixed up 300 grams of the powder and 105 grams of the water. I've just tipped a bit more in because I want it slightly watery. Now we're using Jesmonite pigment in white because I want it white, obviously. Fair amount in. There we go. I mean, it is very white, aqua in its natural state, but I'm just going to give it a bit of an helping hand. Now, I don't normally do it this way, but this is how it's going today. We'll give it a good mix up. We don't want any lumps. I want it quite watery because by the looks of the outsides of them moulds, there's quite a lot of detail. Right, that's all good now. I'm just going to pour them. I'm just going to give these a squidge. It's going on the vibration plate as usual, but I just want to make sure. I've got a little swab. I'm just going to go under that rim because I can see it's not gone to the edge. Need to get all them pesky bubbles out, don't we? Oh, did you see that one? It was huge. Seems quite thin, that, which makes me a bit concerned about demold. So I might leave these an extra couple of hours. Right, I'll get these on the vibration plate. I'll top them up ever so slightly, just the lids, and we'll come back for demold. Right, let's have a look. Let's break this excess off. Oh, it's got a ring top. That's pretty. That all needs sanding. One tiny little notch out. Might be able to sort that out. Oh, that's pretty. That is very pretty. Although slightly misshapen. Not quite round. That's weird, isn't it? Let's have a look at this one. Oh, that one's nice. Now with that one being misshapen, I'm worried I'm not going to be able to get the top on. Nice soft moulds. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that. How lovely. Presume that's that one because the other one, oh, look at that. Yeah, slightly misshapen. Can you see there? Could have been the way it was sat, I don't know. I presume this has snowflakes on. I got these from Temu. They didn't come as a set of two. I had to buy them separately, I think. Still nice and soft, so not too hard on aqua though, if you're doing this. I'll work on that anyway, but that is very sweet. I'll leave these to dry. I'll clean up, clean my moulds, and then we'll mix some resin up. Right, I've got the resin mixed up. I've mixed up 300. I didn't know how much to use. And I'm going to do one in this Ruby Slippers from Resin Detra Supplies. I thought I'd do one in Emerald Green Alcohol Ink from Let's Resin. So we'll give it a try. Right, so the green one's for the ones with poinsettia flowers on. I want to be able to see through it. And you'll be very proud of me today. I'm not going to be using any dazzling diamonds. Hey, we do love a sparkle. I love a bit of a sparkle, especially at Christmas. I think that's going to be fine. Like I say, I didn't want it too dark. That's a very nice green. And it means that when I'm colouring after, I can use a different shade of green. Yeah, that's nice. I'm going to spritz inside this because there's a lot of detail, and I've noticed it's a matte mould Obviously it's a candle mould. I think that's enough. Let's make sure we get it all in that and we'll give it a pour. I'm going to have plenty left over. Just going to put a bit in and then give it a squidge. Like I say, good that it's see-through. I can get under that rim. I'm just hoping this one fits because it's easy to sand aqua cast. Not so easy to do it with resin. We'll put plenty in. I want a deep red colour. Right, we'll spritz this one. Let's get this one poured. We'll do the lid in exactly the same way. Did you see that? I nearly knocked it over. I'm not fit to be let loose today. Right, I'm going to pop all these in the curing machine, find something for the leftover resin and top them up a bit, and I'll see you back when they're cured. Right, let's get them unmoulded. Demolded. Oh, we've got a bit of overspill there. Should have done that while it was warm. Yeah, it's definitely a matte mould. Let's get some nippers for that. Little nips. Little nips. I'll sand that down. It's a matte mould, but it's come out very nice, that. Let's hope the base is as nice. I do love candle moulds. They come off so lovely. It's such a shame it's matte. Oh, the lid fits on. Woo! And it's not misshapen. Something about the aqua cast, quite obviously. It's beautiful, this red. It's a shame it's not shiny. I think I saw a bubble on that one. Oh yeah, what a shame. Just one little bubble. If you get this, don't over pour it. I mean, you've got to pour it to the top because you need that little ledge there to sit into the top. Oh, there we go. It fits on perfectly. Oh, I'm so chuffed. Right, just need to sand the bottom. Tempted to put some UV over it, but it's going to look nice once they're painted. Right, they're very nice. I'm very, very pleased. So, I'll just get some paint or Posca pens ready. I'm going to sand round there with a nail file, but they do both fit on perfectly. That's very weird that it must have been the aqua cast. I will be back in a moment. Right, they've had a couple of days now. I've finished the other two. I will show you those in a moment. They still need to be sanded at the bottom, but we can sort that out. I'm going to do the resin one first, and all I'm going to do for it, because I think it'll look nice, got the wrong pen out, is use a Posca pen in white. Very, very juicy, this one, and when I need it, as soon as I switch the camera on, it's not doing it. I'm going to dip my finger in that, and I'm just going to wipe over it. Might need a few coats, and I'm just going to do that all the way around. Right, just to clean the bits off, I'll show you. I'm going to use a micro brush. I'm pretty sure we all know how to do this. But just get all the dirty bits off. Well, they're not dirty, are they? But you know what I mean. Right, I will give that one a second coat and I will do the lid off camera. And this one has got me stumped. I've painted the other one with Posca pens, but I don't know whether to do the same, but in red, so to do opposites. But the only red I've got, I'll show you, and it comes out a really awful red. It comes out more orange. It's not an awful colour, but it's not a Christmas red, is what I'm saying. It's very, very orange. Anyway, I will go and do that off camera and we'll come back to that. I think I've decided I'm going to do exactly the same, but with the silver, with the chrome pen. Let's see if I can paint it with the actual pen. Right, I'm all done now. Very pretty little moulds. Silver, I don't know. I like silver and white together. It does show up. Very pretty little pot. This one hasn't been sealed, but this one I have sealed with hydrofloor sealer, inside and out. That's lovely. See what I mean about that red? It's very orangey. Still looks pretty. I like it. Right, the resin ones. These are going to get a coat of varnish from Hobbycraft. It's called Hobbycraft Craft Sealer. But aren't they pretty? But they will be slightly shiny once I've sprayed them. It's raining outside at the moment, so I couldn't take them outside and spray them. Now this one, all I went over with was gilding wax in gold. I've let it dry, so it's not coming off anymore. Oh, there's a bit, so it's not quite dry enough. But that's pretty, isn't it? I'm going to take some photos and leave them at the end. You'll be able to see a bit more of the detail. But what do you think? I hope you like them. I like them. I think they're very sweet. And I got the moulds from Temu. I went back and checked, and they were on that thing, you know, where you get 6 items for free. Thank you ever so much for watching, everyone. I really do appreciate it. Look, I've got gold all over there now. Yeah, I'm going to leave it to dry before I spray it. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.